In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Outlook calendar to your Google Calendar effortlessly. This is a handy tip for those who utilize both platforms and want all their events and schedules in one unified space. So let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to your Outlook account. Once you're in, look towards the top right-hand corner for the gear icon, which is the settings icon. Clicking on it will display a drop-down menu. From there, you'll want to select the calendar option. This action allows us to access the settings related to calendars specifically. Next, click on Shared Calendars. This feature lets you manage who has access to your calendar and is the first step in allowing your Google Calendar to access it. Now, you'll need to scroll down until you find the Publish Calendar section. This is where you share the link for external access. Click on Select a Calendar to choose which calendar you wish to share. For most, this would be your primary calendar. After selecting your calendar, it's time to configure permissions. Click on Select Permissions to specify who can view your calendar details. Typically, you might select the option to allow others to view all details in your calendar, which ensures it syncs effectively with Google Calendar. After setting your preference, find and click the Publish button. This action generates a link that we will use to integrate with Google Calendar. Now, you should see an ICS link. This is your iCalendar URL. Copy this link carefully, as you will use it to bring your Outlook events into Google Calendars. With the link copied, head over to your Google Calendar. Once you're in your Google Calendar, look for the Other Calendars section in the left-hand panel. Click on the plus sign beside Other Calendars. A small menu will pop up. From there, choose from URL. In the field provided, paste the ICS link you copied from Outlook. At this point, you're just a step away from completing the integration. Finally, by clicking on Add Calendar, your Outlook calendar will start syncing with Google Calendar. Give it a moment, depending on the size and number of events, and soon you'll see your Outlook events appear in Google Calendar, bright and ready for your planning convenience. Remember, while this syncs events, changes need to be done in their respective origins. Thank you for following along with these steps on how to blend your calendars beautifully. With just a few clicks, keeping track of all your appointments across Outlook and Google has never been easier. I'm thrilled you allowed me to guide you through this process today, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have other calendar questions or need more tricks to streamline your digital life, stay tuned for our next video. Have a great day and enjoy the convenience of your unified calendar.